Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cherryberry Foods. I am Shweta and today I am making fusilli pasta in Alfredo sauce, or simply you can call it white sauce pasta. So let's begin. We will need fusilli pasta 150 grams. This is made up of wheat. You can use any kind of pasta of your choice. Also we will need oregano, dried chili flakes, Italian mixed herbs, black pepper powder, finely chopped garlic and salt to taste. For the toppings, you can use any veggies of your choice. I am using here black olive rings, yellow, red and green bell pepper chopped into cubes, some finely chopped French beans and some broccoli florets. For making the white sauce, we will need full cream milk 300 ml. For thickening, I am using wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour because it is a healthier option. And 4 slices of cheese. I am heating water in a white pan, and when water becomes hot, I am adding in pasta. I am gonna boil the pasta and cook it about 80%. There is no need to add oil at this time. Now when pasta is cooked 80%, I am straining it and pouring cold water to stop cooking and lightly greasing the pasta with extra virgin olive oil. I am making this pasta in extra virgin olive oil. You can also use butter instead of olive oil. Now heat oil in a pan. When oil gets hot, here goes in our finely chopped garlic. Saute it for 30 seconds and then add in 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. Again saute it for 30 seconds. Now add milk to this and stir continuously. Now add in all the seasonings, that is black pepper powder, dried oregano, mixed Italian seasoning, some chili flakes and salt to taste. Now give it a good mix. Now stir it continuously on medium flame till the sauce gets little bit thicker. Also I am adding in some freshly crushed black pepper to enhance the aroma. Now our sauce gets desired consistency thickness. Now it's time to add in our veggies. So here goes in our broccoli florets, some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, some French beans and black olives. Isn't it looking so colorful? Now give it a good mix. Now if you think it's too thick, then add some milk at this time. Now let it cook, covering the vessel for 5 to 6 minutes. Now after 5 to 6 minutes, stir it once and add in some chopped garlic to enhance the aroma and taste. Now give it a good mix and add in our pasta. Let the sauce cover the pasta very well. Now add in cheese. These are 4 cheese slices. Also you can use 2 cubes of cheese or you can use mozzarella. Now cover it for another couple of minutes. After covering it for a minute or 2, our pasta is ready. Now serve it hot and sprinkle some mixed Italian seasoning. So friends, if you like this cheesy Alfredo fusilli pasta, then click the like button and subscribe to Cherry Berry Foods, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Till then, enjoy and thanks for watching.